I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card on E without losing service can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM. Get your new SIM card ready. Make sure it is compatible with your device and that you have any necessary tools, like a SIM ejector pin if needed. Step 2. Back up your data. Before you swap the SIM, back up your contacts and any important data. This can usually be done through your phone's settings or cloud service. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone completely to avoid any potential issues during the SIM swap. This helps ensure smooth transition without interruptions. Step 4. Remove the old SIM. Using the SIM ejector pin, carefully remove the old SIM card from the tray. Be cautious not to damage the tray or the card itself. Step 5. Insert the new SIM. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. If you run into issues, sometimes toggling airplane mode on and off can help your device recognize the new SIM. I hope this guide helps you change your SIM card smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.